Okay, so let's take a look now at Article 3 of the Constitution. To review the basic structure of the first part of the Constitution, remember we talked about the preamble, which is just the first paragraph of the document that lays out the goals of the Constitution. The preamble is followed by Article or Section 1 of the Constitution, which deals with the legislative branch, otherwise known as Congress. Remember that this is the longest article, the most detailed, and this is where the framers spent the most time doing some thinking about how they wanted things to work with the part of our government that made the laws. Article 2 or Section 2, remember, deals with the executive branch or the president. It's not nearly as detailed, but it's about the second longest part of the Constitution. Article 3 then deals with the third branch of our government, the judicial branch. And as you can tell from our graphic, it's even shorter than the executive branch. And as we talk more about the structure and development of the judicial branch, you'll see that there was just a basic outline provided in the Constitution and that a lot of details have had to be filled in over time. So what does the judicial branch do? The picture on your screen is a really good representation of what the judicial branch is supposed to do. The statue is of Justice, and as you can see, she's blindfolded, so she can't see the people in front of her, and she's holding some scales. She's trying to balance out the most fair thing to do. So the idea here is that Justice is blind or blindfolded, and she is trying to determine the most fair thing to do. And so that's what the judicial branch is supposed to do. It interprets the laws. It decides what the law means in order that the law will be fairly applied to everyone and that everyone will be truly equal. Now that we've looked at the basic overview of Article 3, let's move on and look at the structure of the judicial branch.